Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 15, leçon A. And in this lesson we'll see together les mots exclamatifs and especially what we call les adjectifs exclamatifs. So, les adjectifs exclamatifs, well actually it won't be that difficult because we already know them, okay? We're talking about quel for the masculine singular form, then quel for the feminine singular form, and then for the plural form, so quel, and then plural form of the feminine, quel, like that. So the first thing, the good news is that if you listen carefully, quel, 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 okay, so phonetically you get only one form. Of course, when you get this S, well, if you've got a vowel after, then you will have to make this liaison. But then, clearly, the basic form like that, phonetically it's the same, okay? We know them already because normally we use them when we ask questions, okay? This what thing is quel in French, okay? But then, of course, we've got to put the correct form according to the word it is connected to, so according to the gender, whether it's masculine or feminine, and then if it's singular or plural, okay? And let's see how it will go. Sorry, just before that, in most of the cases, and I insist on the most of the cases because we're not talking about all the cases, then when you will build this type of sentence, and we'll see that in few seconds. So the type of sentence that will include this mot exclamatif, so the one we saw, in most of the cases you won't use the verb. Okay, so let's see now a few examples. The first one, so with quel, okay. So this is the sentence that could illustrate quite well the use of quel. Quel beau vélo, okay? Point d'exclamation. Well, you just want to say, what a beautiful bike. I mean, translation in English is exactly the same, okay? And then you can see that in this sentence, you don't need to put the verb after or then, I mean, in the sentence anyway. Quel beau vélo. Well, you could say, quel beau vélo tu as, for instance, you have, what a beautiful bike you have. But then in most of the cases we don't need to put the verb, so we'll use this structure, quel beau vélo. And don't forget to put this point d'exclamation at the end, okay, because that's the whole concept of that thing, and we're talking about les mots exclamatifs, okay. Quel beau vélo tu as, okay, and then, well, feminine form, and then the singular, it could be, you could use this, quelle gentille serveuse. Okay, what a nice waitress. Quelle gentille serveuse. D'accord. When we're talking about the plural form, then it could be quels enfants sportifs. Okay, so you noticed here that I've been making the liaison. So quels enfants sportifs. All right. And the last one for the feminine plural. Quelle fille intelligente. Okay, so quel beau vélo. Quelle gentille serveuse, quels enfants sportifs, quelle fille intelligente. So you can see that it's actually quite easy to construct these structures and to use these mots exclamatifs. So if we're talking about les adjectifs exclamatifs here, quel, okay? And then don't forget to put le point d'exclamation at the end of your sentence. That's it for this lesson. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and then I'm also on Facebook, so it's right here, and the website is waiting for you, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.